Well, there's a lot of mental visual techniques which, if pursued, leads to sort of creating some of your own luck. How does Hill talk about that, and what are the things that he tells people to do?
Hill was a visualizer, and he taught people to visualize who they were going to become. And it wasn't something, you know, there's a lot of people out there that will tell you to fake it until you make it. Mm-hmm. What Hill was saying to do was live it in advance. Picture yourself being successful, and then do the things that you need to do in order to become that vision, in order to become that person. He was giving people real world, on the street advice that they could use immediately by building their own stature, by building their own self-confidence, and by building their capability of being a better person first, and then a successful person second. Mm-hmm. Better person first, successful person second.